Here we go.
Southwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northern Philadelphia.
Ignore that. That's just vacuum noises.
Northern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 5:45 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gilbertsville to Townley, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail.
Okay.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage.
It is considerable.
And outbuildings. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Norristown, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Westtown, Percy, Doylestown, Conshohocken,
What?
Souderton, Antler,
Okay, what?
Royersford, Jenkintown, Narberth, Chalfont, Trapp, and Hatfield.
Trap?
For your protection, move to your room on the lowest floor of the building. In addition to large hail and damaged winds,
Do they say that in every SVR now?
move
Of course, immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you're close enough to be struck by lightning. Rainfall is occurring with this storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia.